3 traits. Tall, dark, and handsome. Tall? Dark lang pala yun na. Okay. Sinong gustong mauna? 3 traits.
Hindi nyo alam kung ano mga traits niya.
Kevin daw.
Kevin.
Hindi na-explain. Dedicated, critical, and focused.
Dedicated, critical, and focused. Bawal synonyms pag na. Naghahanap pa sila sa dictionary.
Magnetic.
Pwede namang physical eh, okay.
Loyal, adjustable, and perfect.
Loyal, adjustable, and perfect. Adjustable.
Literal.
Yes, Alice.
Fair, firm, and hardworking.
Sino pa ang gusto sumagot? Tatlo pa lang po ang nakakasagot out of the 8 members! Tatlo lang! Ang bobo na! Okay.
Si Camille.
Organized, intelligent, dedicated.
Laman na ng QPI pala. Okay.
Patay tayo.
Patay tayo
Patay tayo.
dyan. Talong-talo.
Alvin.
OC, passionate, and thorough worker.
OC, passionate, and sorrow.
Intense naman.
Next, Colin.
Ambitious, loyal. Wait lang, nakalimutan yung
Forgetful! Clever.
ambitious.
Clever.
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 Ambitious, loyal.
Forgetful ka rin. Guys, si Trisha and si Ash.
I work well.
I work well.
I work well. I work well. When I want something, I stick to it. And I dream.
Trisha.
Ano? Yung unang letter lang. Committed, open-minded, and patient.